Starting off our trip with an amazing moneymaker here at Publix. These Quaker Dinosaur eggs, we're going to combine a coupon plus an IBOTTA rebate on this. These are BOGO for $2.92. So what we're going to do is pick up both boxes at $2.92. Then we're going to use this $1 off coupon on two. Now this coupon is available right now on coupons.com, and I actually have some that I printed a couple weeks ago as well. So we're taking $1 off of both of those. And then we're going to head on over to IBOTTA and take off $1.50 per box, making this $1.08 moneymaker. Well, the good thing about this deal with IBOTTA, you can do this deal up to 5 times. And because I have 2 of these coupons, I'm going to do this deal. So I'm going to get 2 boxes and 2 boxes. I'm going to get 4 boxes. And I'm going to submit this offer for 4 times on Ibotta. So I'm going to get a $2.16 moneymaker off these Dinosaur eggs, Quaker oatmeal. So super excited about that. My kiddos probably will not eat it, but I will be donating this to the food bank. This is a repeat deal for Swagbucks. Swagbucks keeps putting this back in the gallery, and I'm going to go pick it up again. So this is actually going to be a 2-cent moneymaker on these. I'm going to pick up 2 of these ragu pasta sauces at $1.99. That's going to make my total $3.98. I'm going to submit to Swagbucks for 400 Swagbucks or $4, making this a 2-cent moneymaker. So we have 2 moneymakers so far today, the ragu and also the oatmeal. Awesome deals. Next awesome deal are on these Flex and Seal Glad zipper bags. These are $3.99 on BOGO, but I'm just going to pick up one today at $2. When I do, I got this amazing coupon that I got from coupons.com for $1 off. So when I buy this for $2 and use this $1 off coupon, it's going to make that box just $1 each. And also, if you have it, there should be a coupon on the Publix app for $1 off as well. You can't use both, you can just use one, but if you don't have that paper coupon, you can always use that coupon on the Publix app. So making this just 99 cents per box. So there is an Wick coupon that makes this a total freebie on the Publix app, but I also have this coupon from coupons.com that I just printed off today. This will make this a total freebie plus a 21-cent moneymaker. So I'm going to see if it will it will allow it, which I'm pretty sure it will. So 21-cent moneymaker on the Wick plug-in. This is the 2 count only. But like I said, I'll pop it up on the screen for you guys. The Publix digital that can be used as well, so you may be able to do that. I'm not going to do those in the same transaction. I do worry about sometimes when my digitals and things come off, so I'm just going to pick up one of these using that $3 off coupon, making this a 21-cent moneymaker. Hey guys, got a really unexpected moneymaker on this Suave tropical coconut shampoo. I did not expect this. I'm not sure if it works on the other ones, but I'm gonna get the coconut one. These are $2.29. We have a $2 Ibotta, making this just 29 cents. And then there's some sticky peely coupons on these, taking 50 cents off as well. So we're gonna pay just 21 cents. I'm sorry, back it up. We're just gonna get a moneymaker of 21 cents. So that is a really great deal. Moneymaker of 21 cents after we use this peely coupon of 50 cents off. But always check your Unilever emails. You might have some on there. But I'm gonna pick up all 3 bottles using those peely coupons and get 21 cents back as a moneymaker for each one. So great deal. Got another moneymaker on our hands. Now we've gotten these Breakstone sour cream a couple times, and because we've gotten this deal a couple times, we are going to get the bonus on Ibotta today. So this is a no coupons needed deal. These are $1.20 for just one because they're on BOGO, so we're just going to buy one today at $1.20. Submit to Ibotta for $1, and when we do, it's only going to cost us 20 cents, but we're also going to get back the bonus. Let me back up a little bit for this. Bonus on Ibotta for 75 cents. So this will be a 55-cent moneymaker with that 75-cent bonus on Ibotta. So another moneymaker on our hands is awesome. I've previously gotten the biscuits for the Pillsbury deal. We've been getting this $1 off when we buy 3 of the Pillsbury products. But I'm going to do something a little bit different today. I'm going to be getting the cookies. So these cookies are $3.66 usually, but they're on BOGO. So each one is only $1.83. We're picking up 3 containers of these. And that's going to total us to $5.49. We pick up 3 containers. We're going to use this dollar off coupon that I got from the 1024 paper, and I also have some more, but I'm not sure where they came from. That's going to bring our total down to $4.49. And whenever we divide $4.49 by 3 packs of cookies, that's going to make them just $1.50 each. So pretty great deal on the cookies. All right, really excited about this next IBOTTA deal. I wanted to get the coffee cakes, the Cake Bites frosted coffee cakes, but it doesn't work. It's only the tuxedo ones that work. And I actually found these where all like the little Debbie cakes are and the donuts and all that on the end cap at Publix. So you can't find them. So what we're going to do is, these are $3.99 usually, but they're buy one get one free, so it's going to be $2 if we just buy one. On IBOTTA, you can submit this up to 5 times and get back $1.50 each. So that's a really, really great deal on cake. So it's going to be $1.50 each for each box you submit, making these just 50 cents. So they're only 50 cents each, and you can get 5 boxes and only pay $2.50 for all 5 boxes, and they're usually $4. That's a really, really great deal. So I'm picking up 5 boxes at 50 cents each, and I hope they have enough. I think they do. All right, guys, let me know if you score on this. All right, what an amazing shopping trip at Publix today. We got 5 Moneymakers. Our total with coupons, IBOTTA, Shopkicks, all that stuff was $4.83. So pretty awesome for $4.83. The pasta sauce itself would have just cost you $4.83 if you were just to buy that. So we got all these great things. My kids are gonna be so excited about the cookies. So we did pay for the cookies. I think we paid like $1.83 for the cookies, something like that. We did pay for $1 for the Glad Flex and Seal bags, and then we did pay 50 cents for each of the Cake Bites. So when I did that deal 5 times. The Moneymakers for us today, we're going to be on the Quaker oatmeal, the Suave shampoo, the Breakstone sour cream, because we had that 75-cent bonus. And then we had a 2-cent, a penny on the ragu. Another thing that occurred was the $3 digital did show up in the transaction. So if you don't have the paper coupon for the Airwick, you can use the digital that's on the app, making that a 21-cent moneymaker on that. But overall, everything went really well. I'm excited that I only spent $4.83 after coupons and on my rebate app. So, all right, guys. Well, I will see you guys next time. I should be going to Walmart this weekend to work on my weekend warrior bonus. So I'll see you all then. Thanks, guys. Bye.